When did the English novel emerge? The answer is deceptively complex. While prose stories have existed for centuries, the novel, as a distinct literary form, especially in English, emerged in the early 18th century. Many scholars point to Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe, published in 1719, as the first true English novel. Why Defoe? Because Crusoe introduced a central, individualized character who undergoes personal development across time. It presents his thoughts, fears, and spiritual journey with a sense of realism that was quite new to literature. Defoe followed this with Moll Flanders, another early novel that explored society through the lens of a morally complex character. But we must also consider Samuel Richardson, whose Pamela, 1740, brought something quite innovative, the epistolary form. Richardson's characters write letters to each other, giving readers intimate access to their emotions and ethical dilemmas. Pamela was a sensation in its time, especially among the rising middle class, who were hungry for literature that reflected their lives and values. Now, contrast that with Henry Fielding, who wrote Tom Jones as a kind of satirical response to Richardson's moral earnestness. Fielding's style was more panoramic, comic, and omniscient. His narrator was playful and ironic, guiding the reader through a richly layered society. This divergence in tone between Richardson and Fielding set the stage for the novel's incredible flexibility, a form that could be moral or comic, intimate or expansive. The emergence of the English novel didn't happen in isolation. It reflected broader cultural shifts, the growth of the publishing industry, increased literacy, and changing notions of the individual. People wanted stories that reflected everyday experiences, work, marriage, class mobility, even boredom. The novel, unlike the epic or the romance, was grounded in the ordinary. So, when we read these early novels, we're not just engaging with stories. We're witnessing the birth of a literary revolution, one that continues to shape how we tell stories today.